Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 E300 4MATIC. This one is a Selenite gray metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 18-inch 5-spoke wheels. This does come with the sports styling package with a sports interior and exterior. Also included is the Premium 2 package with the Air Balance package, adaptive high beam assist, a nut brown leather interior, ambient lighting, panorama sunroof, come around back, rear spoiler, E300 4MATIC badging, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, warmth and comfort package with heated door panels and center console, an LED logo which appears when you open the door, illuminated door sill, heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, a natural grain black ash wood trim, dual climate controls, hard keys for media display, wireless charging, USB ports, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns. This E-Class has 18,436 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.